When making any changes to your informational article, the first thing that you should do is change the date on your informational article to reflect the last date that this was edited. So I'm going to change the date on mine from November 16th to November 26th. Today, we're going to be making changes and adding linking and transition words to the article. As a reminder, linking and transition words are words and phrases that link parts of a text and help indicate the relationships between ideas. An easy way to do this is to begin by adding words like first, next, or last. My first body paragraph is where I first begin explaining about my topic. Because of that, I'm going to add the word first, comma, and then continue my very first sentence. This paragraph of my informational article is about how the plague was contagious and had many symptoms. The next paragraph is all about the treatments that were devised for the plague. Here, I can use cause and effect transition words because treatments would not have been developed if it weren't for the fact that it was contagious and had symptoms. So I can add the phrase, as a result, comma, and then continue with my first sentence. For my third body paragraph, I can also talk about the results of the plague and how it changed life. As a result is a transition phrase that indicates cause and effect. I can change this whole sentence, and I can now make the sentence read, as a result of the virulent effects of the plague, it brought big changes to life in Europe during and after its spread. Now that I've done that, I've added transition words and phrases, and I've actually completed what I needed to complete for lesson 5. In my case, I only needed to add in 3 transition words or phrases. I needed to add in 1 to each of my body paragraphs. That's a pretty good rule of thumb. So adding in a transition to your first body paragraph, adding 1 to your second body paragraph, and also to your third body paragraph is a great way to make sure that you have those transition words and phrases, and a great way to make sure that your article flows smoothly.